This wire right here is the constant, that big black one. Do not touch anything metal while you're messing with this wire, guys. It'll zap you. Just to get my pick through the wire and make a loop. You know what I mean? Make sure it doesn't close up on us. And slide that pick out. And now we're gonna put a wire through it. We're gonna do the hook. This is 16 gauge wire, nothing special. That's the hook and loop method. And try to get it as tight as you can. You don't want it moving around, but we're gonna put tape and insulation back over it, so it should be secure. Once you got it taped back up, you can start to run the wire and put the fuses in. And before you trim your wire, take it and pull on the jacket. That way there's no copper that can touch any metal. So while we run this wire, you don't zap anything. Excuse my hands, guys. Yeah, so just follow where the factory wires go. And run over here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together. Be sure to pull these little white clips out of the kick panel of the vehicle. In here, get you a pair of needle nose or something and snatch them dudes out because you don't need them that time. Hard to do one-handed. You guys get the idea. Positive is solid white, negative is get your wire run through the dash. Go ahead and crimp on a female connector. And then cut you a little section, put another female connector on the other end. And we're gonna need the wire twisted out, because we're going to be doing a hook and loop on the positive wire of the DC outlet. That's gonna get flagged on YouTube for the audio content, I already know. I'll be able to hold it out the models with this. Oh man, that's the professional way to do it wrong. Mm-hmm. It's a terrible connection. $15 amp fuse, guys. This is what the factory outlets use. Constant all the time. The key's off. Even the ignition. There you go, guys. Just put it back together and you're done. If you want to do the other ones, repeat the same process. Make sure you check your plugs with a multimeter so you can figure out which one's positives, so you don't be blowing any fuses or anything. But aside from that, dude, one more thing, guys. Before you wrap all this back up, make sure you cover this with tape. You don't want any of the contacts touching anything in there.